Simple standing hip flexor stretch. Take a small step forward. Make sure that the foot is pointing forward. Tilt your pelvis upwards or bring the belt buckle up. Make sure that the knee is straight and you should feel nice stretch in your hip flexor over here. You can just keep that position for maybe like 5 to 10 breaths. You can slightly just move this knee forward and allowing this hip flexor to stretch. Just make sure that you keep this back position where the ribs are down. The back is not arching, that you are not turning it into kind of arch the back, pelvis kind of tilted forward, and you are not stretching anything here. So from common mistakes, person just loses the pelvis position, so they start to arch their back, the whole pelvis tilts forward and there is not much stretch. Or the common one is they turn just the foot out and then they are kind of going through the groin. They're kind of allowing to, rather than go through hip extension, just to do hip abduction, or if they fix everything, they just kind of keep bending the knee. So rather than really putting these joints, that kind of front capsule, that psoas, that iliacus through the stretch, they kind of escape and they do a little bit more almost like rec fem stretch, but it's not effective enough because the knee is just not bent enough.